Welcome. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Jobber step by step to manage your service business more efficiently. We'll cover how to set up your account, create quotes and jobs, schedule appointments, dispatch team members, send invoices, collect payments, and manage customer details. I'll also show you how to automate reminders, track job progress, and generate reports to monitor your business performance. Whether you run a landscaping company, cleaning service, HVAC business, plumbing service, or any field service operation, this guide will help you streamline your daily operations and improve overall efficiency using Jobber. Let's get started. HVAC business, or any other mobile or field service operation, Jobber can help you organize your operations, manage your team, and deliver an amazing experience to your clients. So if you're just getting started with Jobber, or even if you're still deciding whether it's the right tool for your business, this walkthrough will give you a clear view of what the platform does and how to use it efficiently. We'll explore everything from scheduling and dispatching jobs to invoicing, payment collection, and client communication, all in one place. But before we get started, first let us know what is Jobber. Jobber is an all-in-one business management platform built for small to mid-sized service businesses. Its primary mission is to help owners and teams handle the entire customer life cycle, from the moment someone calls to request a quote, all the way through job completion and invoicing. So basically, Jobber takes the chaos out of running a service business. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, and group texts, Jobber centralizes your operations into one smooth, user-friendly platform, so you can spend less time managing and more time growing your business. So now simply head over to getjobber.com, which is their official website, and from here you can start your free trial. So simply sign up for an account, and after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard of Jobber looks like. So from your home page, you will see all of your to-do lists. So this is for those who have just created a fresh account. So the first things that you want to do is first do all of this to-do list, such as adding your company logo. You want to explore your personalized online client portal. Now you can create and send invoices so your clients can pay online. Create a winning code, which can boost your revenue with custom codes, or create a website for your business. And from here, also in your homepage, you will see your today's appointments. So if you have scheduled a job today, you will see it right here. So as you can see, this is where you'll get an overview of your appointments for today once they are scheduled. So of course, if you want to schedule, just click here, schedule a job. And as you can see, just fill up all of this information right here. So you can add in the dates, the time, the team, the invoicing, the job forms, the line items, internal notes, and from here, just proceed to the next step and select your client. So we won't be doing this right now. So basically, this is how you can do it. I'm just going to walk you through all of the features of GetJobber. Next, again, we have our schedule. So basically, this is our calendar. So if you have schedules for a specific date, you will of course see it right here. So if you want to add a new schedule, just simply click on these boxes for the specific dates, or you can add a new job, a new request, a new task, or a new calendar event. Next, we have our clients. Basically, this is where we will see all of our clients. And as you can see, we have this summary right here, such as the new leads, new clients, total new clients. So to add a new client, simply click on New Client in the top right. And now, of course, you just need to fill up all of the information needed right here, such as the first name and last name, company name, their phone number, emails. You can also add their property address. And if you're done, just click on Save Client. And of course, we have other options too. As you can see right here, we have more actions. So if you want to add a bulk clients or a bunch of different clients, you can always import your clients. As you can see, to get started, you can use their sample CSV so that you can format your client list. So just click on Begin Import and upload your file. Next is we have the requests. So here you'll see all of your work requests. So you can create requests and track incoming work. So to add, just click on your request right here. Of course, just fill up all of the information. Next, we have our codes. Of course, add a new code. Again, just simply add a new code right here. So fill up all of this information. But what's good about this feature is that they have templates. So as you can see, we have the templates right here. So if you have already created your own code, you can always add it as a template. So you won't be creating a new one again. And next is job. So basically, this is your first job. Next is invoices. From here, you can create your invoices. From here, simply search for your client and then create an invoice. Next, we have the marketing. So from here, you can discover their marketing suite. So I don't think this is for free. So they have a marketing section right here where you can create emails, social media posts, and all of that, such as campaigns, referrals, and your website. Next is insights. Basically, this is just reports of their work. So this is your overview. You'll see all your leads, requests, quotes, jobs, and invoiced value. Your lead conversion, your jobs. So basically, this is just the performance reports. And next is we have our expenses. So here you'll see all of your expenses. So to add a new expense, again, just click and fill up the information. And of course, we have our timesheets also for you and your team. So you can add your start and end time right here for today and for this week. Next is the community. This is just a discussion section for GetJobber. And of course, the apps. So we have a bunch of different platforms right here that you can integrate to Jobber. So basically, that's all of the features of Jobber. So I recommend you to first do all of the to-do lists right here. Now explore more about its features. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide on Jobber. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to manage jobs, schedule teams, handle invoicing, and improve customer communication more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on service management software, business tools, and productivity platforms. If you'd like a deeper walkthrough of features like automation workflows, reporting tools, client communication, or integrations, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.